started. So I bet you want to like have, photos, or yeah, just photos. So I have my profile picture here, and I also have my little photo here. And so what do you want to do? The apps you will need are iMovie and I forgot what it was. I forgot what it was, but you will need those two. So they're in the description below, and yeah. So what you will need is this, and then you're gonna click done, and then you're gonna export this. Okay, it's called Vaunt. Copy to Vaunt. So yeah, so I'm going to copy it to Vaunt, and it's gonna export it. And I don't know why it's taking so long. Probably because it's only like 20 seconds long, and I'm really mad. And I'll show you guys how am I gonna intro. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm being too hyper. Calm down. Ooh. Okay. It's loading, getting closer. And done. Perfect. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Ziddle, and let's see, it's making a text. So I'm gonna put my channel on there. So it's Deraplayz. Oh, guys, it's gonna be a little boring, so please don't judge. I'm trying to make it the best as possible. The symbol, I'm gonna put a heart because I love hearts, and then yeah, I'm done. So it's pink. So I'm going to do ooh, this looks cool. This looks really cool. Okay, curve. Perfect. It looks so cool. Okay. The font. I'm thinking like something thick. I don't really know. I'm not really a person with. I'm not really good with thin fonts, but transition style out. In. Okay, I think this one. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna do. Let's see. Okay, style. Okay, I need the font. Okay, the background. The background, obviously pink. Perfect. Do this. Perfecto. Perfecto. Yay! Okay, so now I need to add something else. So we could say like subscribe, like and subscribe. I spelled it wrong. scribe and font. Let's do this. Well, actually, you know what? No, I'm really picky, so let's do this. I think this is perfect. And then the symbol, always a heart, done. So now I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do curve. I think this is good. Yeah, and then what color? Should we do this? Okay, this, perfect. Perfect, and then perfect. Okay, now I just need the size. Okay, I think this is good, and then or like right here, and then I guess it's good. Style, spacing. Okay, I really need the size to be like right here, and then maybe I put it in the middle. Perfect. Okay, I just need to curve a little bit more. Like that. Perfect. And then perfect. And let's do action. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put this as my ending intro, because the ending intro that I have now is just really boring. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If I didn't instruct it that much, because I'm just, you know, showing you and directing, well, not directing you, but directing, quote yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah.